Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we are gonna lift, tighten and firm the skin. We're gonna reduce wrinkles and fine lines. We're gonna boost collagen and elastin in the skin. We're gonna do this by using my amazing moisturizer. This is a moisturizer that I made using some amazing ingredients. So I'm gonna show you how to use a moisturizer really quick. You're gonna take a small amount on your hands after you cleanse your face, and you are gonna massage it on the skin. I first like to pat the moisturizer on my skin, and then I like to just massage, getting rid of your laugh lines, massage, getting rid of your forehead wrinkles, massage in upward stroke. And guess what, guys, this is also good for wrinkles on your upper lips. This is also good for the jawline. So if you're looking for a moisturizer that can help to transform your skin using some amazing ingredients that are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E, follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to share the full detailed recipe, and along the way I am going to share some tips and how to get the best result from using this on your skin. This is also good for your neck and décolleté. Before I get in the kitchen, however, we have launched the Khichi Beauty skincare line. We have a variety of anti-aging products that you can use on the skin. I'm going to put the link right here for you to just go around and browse in our store. Now that is out of the way, let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. So we're going to start with papaya. And here we have about a half of a papaya. You really do not need this much, since all we're getting from this is the seed of the papaya. Now, papaya seed, just think of this as a natural exfoliator. It gently dissolves away dead skin cells to reveal fresh, glowing skin underneath without causing any form of irritation. Not only that, it helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and also boosts collagen and elastin in the skin. It is as natural as it gets, and so now here we have the seed of the papaya, and I want to show you up close what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It is like a seed in a bag of water. So today all we're doing, we are extracting just the water that is around the seed. That is that natural juice from the seed that we are looking for. This is what is gonna help your skin to look younger and fresher. The papain in this is gonna reduce the wrinkles and fine lines and boost collagen and elastin. So what I'm gonna do, I am just gonna crush all these seeds. I am using my hands. I do not recommend blending this. This is gonna take a little while, but just be patient with it. And we are just crushing and take a look at this. We're not adding any water to this. We want just the fresh natural papaya water. And now we are gonna just strain it. And if you're wondering if this is just as good as the flesh, this is better than the flesh. So now here we have it. Here we have our papaya seed juice. So whenever you get a papaya next time, do not throw out the seed. We have about a tablespoon of the papaya seed juice. We're setting this aside, and let's move on to our next ingredient. And this is going to be some green tea. Now today I'm using a green tea bag, but if you have the loose leaves, you can go ahead and use that. We're going to be brewing this green tea, and we're not adding a lot of liquid to it. We're using about 2 tablespoons of hot water. Make sure the water is very hot. Now green tea is packed with antioxidants. It helps protect your skin from sun damage and keep your collagen strong, so your skin stays firm, your skin stays smooth, and give you a more youthful look. So now that we have the hot water in this, we're gonna set it aside to brew. Now once this is done, guys, we are gonna reach for the green tea and also reach for our papaya seed juice, and we're gonna mix the two together together. We're using a tablespoon of each, a tablespoon of papaya juice and a tablespoon of the green tea. This is a powerhouse of goodness for your skin. Next, I'm going to reach for some apricot oil. And apricot oil, just think of it as retinol. It is super lightweight and it is deeply moisturizing. It mimics your skin natural oil, so it absorbs quickly without clogging your pores, and it is perfect for most skin type. It is rich in vitamin A and vitamin E, an amazing oil to use on the skin. Now I'm moving on to my two final ingredients, which is going to be vegetable glycerin and rose water. These two works together like a moisture magnet. The glycerin drinks in moisture from the hair, and the rose water calms down any form of a redness on the skin and also cool the skin. I'm using a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerin and 1 teaspoon of the rose water. And now that we have all the ingredients together, we have green tea, we have papaya juice, apricot oil, we have rose water, we have vegetable glycerin, and now we're going to mix it all together, and we are going to mix well. Now mix and mix well. Now that this is done, guys, what we're going to do, we are now going to reach for our storage jar, and you want to store this in a clean container that is sterilized. So go ahead and sterilize any jar that you have. This is an amazing mixture that anyone can whip up in the comfort of their home. So now let's go ahead and pour in a small jar. Now take a look at this, guys. This beat any moisturizer that you're going to use on the skin, and all you need from this is just 1 to 2 drops of this serum daily on the skin, face, neck, and décolleté. You can even choose to use this on your hands. Just go ahead, guys, give this one a try, whip it up, mix it up, and then come back and share your final result with me right here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Store it in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you made it this far, guys, take a look right here. I have 2 more videos for you to watch. So just click on the link and watch another video. Remember to watch the videos to the end.